I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin fighting to stay above the 200 simple moving average. This is key resistance. Remember, previously, this 200 simple has called the bottom of a couple huge drawdowns from Bitcoin. The panic situation dropped from 12,000 to 3850. Also, the bottom of the bear market back in 2018. Here we are under the 200 simple moving average, but the bulls are fighting to change that. I want you to look at these indicators. MACD curving higher, possible bull cross. Negative momentum, these small light red bars, negative momentum decreasing, could flip green. So these are bullish indicators. RSI curving higher above 40. Stochastic RSI curving higher after bull cross. So if we go down here, you've got a possible MACD cross coming, bullish MACD cross coming. You've got the same decreasing negative momentum. You've got the RSI leaving oversold levels. You've got a bullish cross of the stochastic RSI, and it's curving to the upside. So the indicators here, you also have bullish divergence possible on the histogram. The indicators look bullish. But again, it's all about to happen. The bulls have got to close above this level. And then the Fed is going to come out. They're going to throw rates out. And this is really going to move the market if it's outside the realm of 75 basis points. We're going to talk about that in a second. So again, that's in about 6 days. Fed's going to come out, raise the rates, and it needs to fall. I'd say 75 basis points is priced in, but if they do anything higher than that, we're definitely going to see a move. I'm not going to try to predict it, but the United States economy is in trouble and they have to raise the rates. And so that's generally not good for stocks or Bitcoin. But the market prices that in based on what they think. You just don't want the Fed to come out and do something crazy, right? This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And the question is, we nailed this move right here, right? We bought right here. Bullish retest banging. Now the price action is in this rising wedge. There's a 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. Is this a giant bull trap, or will Bitcoin bulls pull off a miracle and get upside continuation? You're above the 200 simple on the 4-hour, and it's all about to happen. Break to 68% chance this breaks to the downside. Tell you what, bears got trapped right here for Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour, and so we zoom in. And earlier today, I was talking in group how you've got this falling wedge, and it had to break out to the upside, and it did. But at this point, you've got a little rising wedge here. And so do you get another move lower? And then does this hold? If this breaks to the downside, you lose 22,000, 21,600. This can test lows of the range. Down here, 19,700. But again, Bitcoin has been following the stock market, and we're going to talk about that towards the end of the video. I have some amazing shout outs to give on my trading group. This person's made $1,000 for each week, a couple of weeks in a row. He's trying to do it for another week. Thanks for the knowledge. Dude, there's buy and sell signals. You just need one coin. You can make a ton of money just trading one coin, long, short. Shout out to this person, $19,000 profit in a day. Obviously, he's working with a large amount of money, but he made 38%. Which we nail these bangers every single day. 18%, 24%, 33%, 35%, 44%. You put a bunch of money in some of these coins and you're gonna kill it. Gem pick bangers. This person doubled his trading account in the last 3 months, and he paid $10,000 worth of bills. This person had another good day, made $1,000. He started with $150 initially, and now he's at $11,700. You sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount. 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You've got to be in the right coins, and I can help you. Now, the Fed, they're saying, needs to stick to 75 basis point rate hike in July. There's a 40% chance of a recession. I think it's a lot higher than this. I think recession, we're here. A bunch of companies talking about layoffs and I want to see higher than 75 basis points on this next rate increase. But they got to do something. They've got to stop inflation, the control. This is the dollar index. And so we've been watching this consistently. And then when the dollar is weak, you see positive price action, typically out of stocks and Bitcoin. Turn Bitcoin on here and you can see it's like a mirror. Coin took off and the dollar was dumping. You need this level to break to the downside for another push higher out of Bitcoin. It's that simple. When the Fed raises the rates, they're going to try to strengthen the dollar. And what's that going to do to Bitcoin? This is a big week ahead. Well, really next week, big week coming. Pay attention to what the Fed does with the rates. This is total market cap, all of crypto. So you had this bullish breakout previously. Nice, healthy pullback. And then the thing is, you don't want to see this high lower than the previous high. You don't want to see a lower high because, potentially you could double top and end up coming down here, right? So follow Bitcoin, the stock market. So we're going to look at largest altcoin, Ethereum. We made about 29% on Ethereum. I gave this to you guys on YouTube. Wonder if you get some type of bull pennant. If you get some upside out of Bitcoin, look for more upside out of Ethereum. If not, Ethereum's going the same direction. This is one of the most important charts you're going to see. ES1. Probably never heard of it, but it's S&P mini futures. And ES1 is so great because it's open. It's open right now, right? Stock market's closed. It's open right now. This thing has to break out if you want an extended move to the upside out of Bitcoin. Period. This thing needs to pump if you want Bitcoin to see higher prices. You don't want to see this thing break down and roll over. Otherwise, Bitcoin will follow. Critical week ahead for Bitcoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.